Hi guys!
This is Mom.
This is Arella. For today's kwentuhan, I have a surprise question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Yeah. If you could be a principal of your school, what rules will you make? First rule. Siguro 3 rules or 2 rules lang, sige. The first rule that you will make.
Being strict.
Yeah, being strict. We know that. Siyempre, mga principals naman, they are strict, and teachers, what's the rule nga? Specific rule. For example lang to ha, gagawa si principal ng rules na kailangan kapag ka national anthem, lahat ay wearing proper uniform. Parang ganon. Kung ano man, ikaw, what role will you make? Specific.
Naiisip pa ako dito. Hindi ako maisip.
Hindi mo isip.
Wala ako ba?
What rules do you want to make? For example, every day, all students will bring their books. Parang mga ganon. Mga simple rules lang naman.
Make who has the best book. Kung sino may best book. Kunyari ko yung student.
Wala namang best book, Irela. Ang mga students, pare-pareho po kayo ng book. Pare-pareho kayo ng book. What rule will you make? Move here, move ka here.
I will make
Rules for students. Rules for students like,
di na ako student.
dali. Isip ka ba, sige. I'll give you 1 minute to think.
Give me 10 minutes.
Ay, 10 minutes lang. Oh, dali.
Nice.
Don't waste the alcohol.
I don't want it to. Wala. Iba na lang.
Make a rules in the school. For example, no going in the kapag kagaya rules ni principals nyo, no playing in the playground. O mga ganun. Bawal mag-play sa playground nyo, di ba? Sabi mo.
Pwede.
Ha?
Pag wala si teacher, nagpa-playground kami.
O, ano nga? O, mga ganung rules. Kagaya nung bawal magbaon kayo ng mga something chocolate, bawal sila nun eh. Bawal sila magbaon ng candies and chocolate.
No running, no jumping, no be noisy.
Yun ang rules mo.
Puso na. Ikaw naman. Ikaw naman. Sa school ko.
Ako? Sabihin mo muna sa akin kung ano yung rules mo. Ano yung...
No jumping, not be noisy, and be quiet.
Yun na nga yun eh. Don't be noisy and be quiet eh. It's just the same.
No.
Ano?
So, I will be no running, be quiet, and no jumping.
Yun lahat ng rules mo. No running,
No jumping.
no jumping,
And no.
and be quiet. That's the 3 rules of Arella. So, paano pag PE?
PE parehas.
Eh, di ba pag PE, nag-jump kayo? Oh.
Hindi.
Wala bang ganun pag PE? Wala po bang ganun pag PE?
Wala.
Okay, that's the rules of Principal Arella.
I'm already a principal. I'm already a boss.
Principal lang, di boss yun. That's all for tonight. Thank you for
Sino
watching
yung
our
manager?
video.
Sino yung manager sa school?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko po alam eh. Siguro, the owner. Who's the owner of the school? Di siya rin yung manager. Si Doktora, di ba? Yung past school mo. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. God bless.